Hello friends, my name is Dafir and today I'll show you how I use the Super Trend indicator to grow my deposit from $200 to enough for a week-long vacation, maybe in Barcelona. Winter is coming and it's time to dream of warmer places. The time frame is 30 seconds and the expiration time is 2 minutes. Ready? Let's begin. On the GBR USD chart, it's clear that after the news release, the market plumped and the bear trend took over. Even small bullish impulses don't change the overall picture. The downward trend continues. I'm investing $200 on a sell trade. Excellent! The price went down and my deposit increased to $384. Want to achieve similar results? Subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I share my strategies, valuable signals and market analysis. We also have a trading assistant that helps you earn with high accuracy. The link is in the description. Join now. Now let's look at the EUR-CAD. The situation here is similar to the previous one. The downward trend is still dominant. I'm investing $384 on a sell trade. The trade was successful, the price went down, and my deposit grew to $737. On CHF-JPY, the trend also remained bearish, with sellers maintaining control over the market. It's very convenient to trade under these conditions, especially with a 2-minute expiration. I'm investing $737 on a sell trade. Everything worked out as expected. My deposit increased to $1,415. Now we are back to GBR USD. The situation here has directly changed. The price has reached a new support line and it simply can't go lower. This is a signal for reversal. I'm investing $1,000 on a buy trade. Perfect. The price went up and my deposit grew to $2,335. Today I started with $200 and ended with $2,335 using the Super Trend indicator. This is a solid proof of the importance of following trends and identifying reversal points. Subscribe to my channel, check out my Telegram and I'll help you master trading and achieve similar results. See you in the next video.